So why don't you define possibility chains in the best terms that you can?
Sure. So we talked already about forces and
Yeah.
domains and how they're linking and the causal relationships between them. So basically saying if I've observed a pressure in 2025, it will spawn something in 26 and they're
Mhm.
causally linked. And that causal linkage continues through the planning horizon, let's just say 2031, which is what we're currently focused on. So this notion of a chain is a chain of forces that are connected. And so they represent possibility, and that's really what the genesis of possibility chains was. And what we're really focused on is not just good storytelling, although that's really important, but plausibility. If a pathway doesn't seem plausible to an audience or to a leadership team, then back to the days of not really driving any action or actionability. And so we invest a lot of cycles in chains of forces that create pathways. And a pathway is simply 6 years, force by force, causally linked, that give you a vision into a given path. So let's just pick one. I use that energy example. What happens if AI data centers really start impacting energy and homeowners and their ability to continue to use energy because it's being drawn by data centers? That's a pathway. So let's just call it an energy coordination pathway. And the forces that are likely to play out against that set of pressures, what does that look like? And making sure that's plausible. When somebody sees that side-by-side pathway, then the reaction I'm getting now is that they can see how they can insert themselves into this pathway and action it.